How to install Sodium on Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to install Sodium on Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, go to the website fabricmc.net/use/ and click on download for Windows button. After that, open the fabric installer.exe file you downloaded and click on the install button. After that, now that you have Fabric installed, you need to install mods that improve your FPS and allow you to use shaders. To get to the Minecraft mods folder, go to your search bar and type %appdata%. Click on app data folder. Then this will open File Explorer and you need to open the Minecraft folder. After you have opened the Minecraft folder, you need to create a new folder and call it mods. This mod folder is where you will install the fabric mods. Now that you know where to install fabric mods, you just need to download them. Once you have downloaded the mods that you want, place them in the mods folder. Then open the Minecraft launcher and make sure you have selected the fabric loader profile that the installer created for you. Then click play. That should be it. You have successfully installed fabric. So in this very simple step, you could install fabric in your Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.